Hello everyone, myself Pranali Arun Kakade, student from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My subject name is Financial Modeling and today's my presentation topic name is Project Financing. So, for whom it is important to understand project finance, financial managers, sponsors, lenders, consultants and practitioners, managers, builders, suppliers, engineers, researchers, and students. What is a project? A project is normally a long-term infrastructure, industrial or public services scheme, development or undertakings having large size, intensive capital requirement that is capital intensive, finite and long life, few diversification opportunities that is asset specific, stand-alone entity, high operating margins, significant free cash flows. Such projects are usually government regulated and monitored, which is allowed to an entity on BOO or BOT basis. Types of project: motorway and expressway, metro, subway and other mass transit system, dams, railway network and service both passengers and cargo, power plants and other charge utilities, port and terminals, airports and terminals, mines and natural resource exploration, large new industrial undertakings, large residential and commercial buildings. What is project financing? International Project Finance Association defined project financing as the financing of long-term infrastructure, industrial projects, and public services based upon a non-resource or limited resource financial structure where project debt and equity used to finance the project are paid back from the cash flow generated by the project. Project finance is especially attractive to the private sector because they can fund major projects of balance sheet. Key characteristics of project financing. The key characteristics of project financing are financing of long-term infrastructure and or industrial projects using debt and equity. Debt is typically repaid using cash flows generated from the operations of the project. Limited resource to project sponsors. Debt is typically secured by project's assets, including revenue producing contracts. First one is first priority on project cash flow is given to the lender. Consent of the lender is required to disburse any surplus cash flow to project sponsors. High risk project may require the surety or guarantees of the project sponsors. Advantages of project financing: eliminate or reduce the lender's resource to the sponsors, permit an off-balance sheet treatment of the debt financing, maximize the leverage of a project, avoid any restrictions or covenants binding the sponsors under their respective financial obligations, avoid any negative impact of a project on the credit standing of the sponsors, obtain better financial conditions when the credit risk of the project is better than the credit standing of the sponsors, allow the lenders to appraise the project on a segregated and stand-all basis, obtain a better tax treatment for the benefit of the project, the sponsors or both. Disadvantages of project financing: often takes longer to structure than equivalent size corporate finance. Higher transaction costs due to creation of an independent entity. Project debt is substantially more expensive due to its non-resource nature. Extensive contracting restricts managerial decisions making. Project finance requires greater disclosure of proprietary information of strategic deals. Stages in project financing. Pre-financing stage, project in that project identification, risk identification and minimizing, technical and financial feasibility. Second stage is financing stage. In that, equity arrangement, negotiation and syndication, commitments and documentation, disbursement. Third stage is post-financing. In that, monitoring and review, financial closure or project closure, repayments and subsequent monitoring. Thank you so much.